How to remove a bot from Discord server. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a bot from Discord server. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you'll need to type in discord.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here, click on this Open Discord button at the top right and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, now here you will need to select your server from which you would like to remove a bot. Once you select the server, now click on this server name at the top left, and from this drop-down menu, select Server Settings. Once you click on Server Settings, you will be taken to the Server Settings page. Here at the left side, you will be able to see different options. Scroll down until you find this User Management section. Under it, here you will be able to see the Members option. Click on this Members, and here you will be presented with the members that are included in your server. From here, you will need to locate the bot. Once you find the bot, now click on the three dots at the right side of it, and from the drop down here find Kick Bot option. You'll also get the option to ban bot, but if you want to just remove a bot from your server, then you can simply click on this Kick Bot option, and here you will need to enter a reason why you are removing this bot from your Discord server. You may also simply click on this Kick button right here. By doing so, you'll be able to successfully remove a bot from the Discord server. Now this bot will no longer be available on your Discord server. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove a bot from Discord server. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.